What's your go-to comfort movie or TV show that you could rewatch over and over again?
Death Note.
Jab We Met.
I'm more of an artist, so I watch a lot of animated movies, TV shows. One of them is Tangled.
Interstellar, actually.
I'd watch Titanic.
I'm a Shah Rukh Khan fan, so I'll go for Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
It's this anime called Spirited Away. I watched it at least 32 times.
Tamil movie. It's called Sillin Oru Kadal.
There is one crazy Bihari movie called as Andheri Raat Mein Diya Tere Haath Mein. So if you want to watch that, watch it.
What's it about?
अंधेरी रात में दिया उसके हाथ में. Mine's कल होना हो.
हम आपके हैं कौन and दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे. Those are my favorite movies.
ये जवानी है दीवानी. Titanic.
Okay, Jano.
3 Idiots. If you had the whole day with no responsibilities, what would be the first thing that you would do?
Play FIFA.
Play my PlayStation.
I wouldn't even wake up.
I'd actually take my bike and go on a long ride.
I would go on a solo date.
All day eating and not gaining any weight.
I would game Fear and Hunger. Start with a long jog and then end it with a Netflix series. Sleep, watch series.
Start with a cup of coffee and then sleep for whole day.
I would think of doing something crazy or get into some party or get out somewhere else.
I'll just watch Kal Hona Ho. I'll watch Friends. I'll just make a hot chocolate and just be on my couch all day.
Go to Himalayas and spend it with our gories.
What's something super random that you're weirdly good at?
I can do helicopter stunt.
What is helicopter stunt?
Sit on one leg and then do helicopter circles with the other leg.
Do that for us now.
No.
I'm very good at pranking people.
Every day, without a miss, I wake up exactly at 6 a.m. No alarm, nothing. Exactly at 6 a.m. I'm up.
I really wish I could do that, bro.
I swear I'll try. It usually takes 2-3 attempts, but if it happens. A drop noise.
That was good, guys.
I'm good at painting, art.
Abacus, is that random?
I can edit weird videos or photos. Like if you give me 2 photos, I'll make a wedding photo of them, a meme. Basically that.
So people should be scared of you then.
Yeah, exactly. My friends are very scared of me.
It's very NSFW. But if you give me a measuring tape, I can correctly pull out 6 inches.
What's one song that you think everyone should listen to?
For someone who's in love, one-sided love, heartbroken or something, listen to Apocalypse by Cigarettes After Sex.
Listen to Chase Atlantic's whole playlist. It's amazing.
My recent favorite is recently released, not released I think. It's called POR, Por. It's a Tamil or Malayalam song.
I love One Direction and Eminem song.
Lean On. But I think everyone has listened to it. But for some reason, in 10th grade, I was constantly listening to it. And I don't know, I just love that song.
Munbeva.
Mars from Yellow Diaries.
Feel so alone.
Hopeless Romantic by Wiz Khalifa.
Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis.
Soya by Zarya.
Have you experienced hair fall due to hard water in Bengaluru? And if yes, how do you deal with it?
When I was new to Bengaluru, it was quite difficult. So because of that, I used to take the Bisleri 20-liter bottle just specifically for that.
Applying the oil weekly once or twice and using the rosemary water.
I just use drinking water to wash my hair.
The water is always good for me. I mean, Bangalore water is good for me. If I go somewhere else, then it's hard time for me.
Go ahead, I boil the water, then I use it because then it's better. All the bacteria is gone.
Yeah, there is hair fall, but then I started using these filters and all that. So as you can see, my hair is a little decent.
I have, but I'm not sure what to do. First thing I do when I get hair fall is cry. Then the second thing is I change it to this filter. And the third thing is you can use, what's that? Tea, peppermint essential oil. But don't use it directly, you will burn your scalp. You need to use it with a carrier. The way I deal with it is that using products, new products, Ayurvedic ones.
Presenting you Water Science, your one-stop solution to all your hard water problems. From showers to kitchen water taps, they got you covered with the best water softeners available out there with multiple layers of filtering to give you that silky smooth and strong hair. It's now time to switch up your water outlets to these cost-effective and efficient softeners for healthier hair and skin. So what are you waiting for? Go purchase these amazing products from Water Science right now.